This is one of the most difficult mathematics question I've ever seen. Like, it is very difficult that, is it actually possible to find the values of x? Is it possible? Welcome back to my channel. We are going to find out by the end of this video if we can actually find the value of x. Okay? First, let's try the first method. For the first method, normally we are looking for the value of x. So let's bring x to one side of the equation. So this comes here, and we have x minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. Then let's go ahead and transfer this to this side. So we have x minus x is equal to 0 plus 5 will cross to become minus 5. And we have x minus x is equal to negative 5. And we will have x minus x is 0 is equal to negative 5. And this is mathematically wrong, meaning that our first effort did not work, right? Now let's try the second method. If this is the first time you are seeing this channel, please click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our videos. Alright? We upload our videos as often as possible. Tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up. Yes, if you love what you're doing, give us a thumbs up. It's for free. You're not going to pay for it. Okay, so give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Comment. I'm always there. So give me your complaints, your compliments, your suggestions. I'll be there in the comments. I'll be reading all of them. Alright, thank you very much. Now, let's try the second method. Now, remember that if we say that A is equal to B, right? Then, it is also mathematically right to say that A squared is equal to B squared. Okay? Let's apply that here. So, if we are told that x plus 5 is equal to x, then it's mathematically right to also say that x plus 5 squared is equal to x squared. Now, we are going to use the algebra identity that states that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In this case, our a is x and our b is 5. So let's expand that. If we do that, we are going to have x squared plus 2ab, 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 5, plus b squared, that is 5 squared, is equal to x squared. So we have x squared plus, now 2 plus 5, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. We have 10x plus 5 squared is 25 is equal to x squared. If you are still watching to this point, that means you love what I'm doing. So why have you not given me a like? Alright, now let's transfer this x squared to the other side. If we do that, we have x squared minus x squared, okay, plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0, right? Now, x squared minus x squared will give us 0. So now we have 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. We are looking for the value of x, so let's transpose this to the other side. If we do that, we have 10x is equal to negative 25. Now, we are going to divide both sides by 10. So, divided by 10, divided by 10. 10 will go into itself 1. 1 times x is x. Is equal to 10 will go into minus 25. Okay, it cannot go into it. We use 5. 5 into 10 is 2. 5 into this is negative 5. So it means x is negative 5 divided by 2. Now, wow. But we need to verify this. Let's go ahead and verify. Have you liked? Okay, also drop your comment. Let's see if we are correct that x is actually -5 divided by 2. So x is -5 divided by 2. So we have -5 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 1 is equal to -5 divided by 2. Now the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So if I want to make this, the denominator to be 2, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So I will have -5 divided by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Is equal to -5 divided by 2. So this is same thing as -5 plus 10 divided by 2 now is equal to -5 divided by 2. Wow, let's keep going. So this is same thing as 10 minus 5, which is 5, right? So we have 5 divided by 2 is equal to -5 divided by 2. But this is a mathematical blunder. This is mathematically wrong. Okay? So please, that means this answer is also not valid. Now, can we actually find the value of x? Drop your comment in the comment section and give me your method. That is, use another method, any method you can, to find the value of x. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.